Welcome to our detailed review of StormGain, a powerful platform that brings crypto mining to your fingertips. Whether you're a seasoned miner or a beginner exploring the crypto world, StormGain offers an intuitive experience. It combines cloud mining technology with a user-friendly interface, allowing users to start mining Bitcoin without the need for expensive hardware. Once you sign up and log in, you can immediately access the mining tab, where mining is as simple as a click of a button. With its integrated wallet, StormGain allows you to securely store mined assets, supporting multiple cryptocurrencies. The platform also features a transparent earning system, where your mining power grows as you increase your activity and account level. Moreover, it's equipped with tools for trading and investing, making it a comprehensive hub for crypto enthusiasts. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. StormGain's cloud mining tool is ideal for those who want to mine Bitcoin effortlessly, while also benefiting from features like competitive trading fees, real-time analytics, and an educational hub for understanding market trends. The app is available on both desktop and mobile, ensuring that your crypto activities are synced across devices. Its innovative profit calculator lets you project potential earnings, and a referral program rewards users for inviting friends to join the platform. StormGain takes security seriously, incorporating two-factor authentication and encrypted storage to protect your assets. For anyone curious about trying crypto mining, StormGain offers a straightforward starting point. The platform is free to use, and the mining process doesn't interfere with your device's performance. Unlock the power of crypto mining with StormGain today. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and enable notifications so you never miss more valuable content.